Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Matt here today at Steve Borshaw's farm in Caledonia, Ontario. We're shooting the third NRS match of the season. I missed the first one, so this is my second NRS match of the season. But this is a really nice venue, basically just an open farm field, but you can see, or maybe not, but it is very windy today. I just measured average like 9 to 11. So safety brief is going. I'll go really quick. It's gonna be really gusty, gonna be really interesting, really busy weekend for us. After this match, we're driving to Catskill, New York for the Sheepdog in the Woods match. All right, let's get it started.
All right, great. Thanks everybody for coming out. Before we get going, a few things for the day just to be aware of. There is a killdeer nest over by stage 10. Please do not screw with it. Don't screw with it. And there, we put a little marker beside it, so if the bird's running around, just ignore it. It's not going to get in your way. So, first off, I'd like to thank Cadex, Jamie, who works from Cadex, for sponsoring the match again for this year. There is some swag, so if you do need a chamber flag or some patches and that, we have that up here that you guys can grab. Triggertech for sponsoring the season again. We got another cert from them today. We also have Apex, who provided the drinks for the season. So we got a cooler here. Do not drink what's in the cans; those are mine. I will murder you. All right? It's my caffeine for the day.
What's your delta? 4-1?
4-2. No, but when I throw the garbage out in there.
Spotter ready. Shooter ready. Yeah. Stand by.
Like I hit a lighter once and somebody dropped it. Scared him pretty good. I like that. He actually messaged me and was like, "Can you not leave my ammo in the grass?" I'm like, that was probably a lighter.
Hey Carol, that one you thought might have been an impact, literally went, he's got you.
Impact. 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 Impact.
Oh, picked up.
Just off the way.
Yeah.
If that was a square, you would hit it.
Take our trade. Thank you. But we can swap that. Okay, thanks. Yeah, no worries. You're clear.
Thank you.
Shooter, do you just have the course of fire?
Yeah.
Okay, shooter ready.
Cool, man. Shooter's ready.
3, 2, 1, engage. Under the bipod.
Impact. Impact. No feedback on that far one.
Got you for 6.
Yeah, I'll take a 6 in that wind. No.
Adam, you know how many hits are on 300 and 400?
Yeah. 2.
There's 3 hits. There's 3 hits on 300 and 0 on 400.
Yeah, there's 3 hits there? Okay, that one's on 2. So those are Matt's.
I got 2 hits on that second last one.
Yeah, 300.
2 of the 3 hits.
You're a touch low, Matt.
Yeah, they're on the
Did you see?
low half.
I couldn't see on the plate.
Yeah, you're.
Oh, we're not squad 2, we're squad 8. Alright. Spotter ready. Yeah. Shooter ready.
Shooter ready.
Stand by. Okay, I'm letting Joe clear. Got you for 8.
Thank you.
Good shooting, Matt.
Thanks.
What did you do, Matt?
Basically, start with like a 1.5 to 2 bracket and just follow your hits.
Greg's got a lot of research for that.
All right, I'm
Okay,
ready.
you loaded?
Yeah.
Spotter ready. Yeah. Shooter ready.
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Good. Stay
Impact. 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 Impact.
Oh man.
Yeah. Impact. It doesn't get any better. It just gets worse the smaller the targets get. Impact. Impact.
Oh my gosh. I didn't think it.
Impact.
Dropping in or low.
Impact.
But it was
15 seconds.
Yeah.
be a flash. Not really.
No time help.
It was almost straight in, like in line with the post. Straight in line.
Ah! I was going pretty good. Can't be angry with that.
Dropping in or
Target swinging everywhere. Wasn't even ready to shoot.
Stage complete.
I hit that second to last one like you did. That thing went flying around probably 3 or 4 times.
Oh, did it?
I'd love to see how many rounds I had. Spotter ready. Spotter? Yeah. Shooter ready. Yeah. Stand by.
Right? You got a plan.
Impact! Impact! Good finish.
Thank you.
Were you less or more than you thought? More. All right, shooter, you understand the course fire?
Yep.
Go ahead and load Nick. Ready? Yeah, I took a half a mil off after that.
I bet, yeah. Right.
All right, spotter up.
Down to 7.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Push it off.
I got 2.
Take it off. Take it off.
Ready? Spotter song.
Impact.
Spotter song. 5, 3, 2, 1. We're almost.
It's the wind. I've been doing really good lately. It's just the wind.
Impact. 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 Impact.
And I got this. 1, 4.
Impact.
She was the first one. There was no marks on the 400.
Impact. Impact.
The wind totally died.
Yeah, it did.
Picking up, dying.
Our 2 shots were that far apart.
Just the tip of that. Yeah. Are you fucking serious?
Fucking barking.
Spotter ready.
Yeah, I'm up.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Damian, moje auto wyświetla. Moje Franco.
Dobra.
Impact! Oh, Impact! 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 Any dope on there? 108 yards. What? All the targets are good. Any dope on there? 108 yards. What? All the targets are good.
It was a good start.
What? It was a good start.
What the fuck was that?
Loading clear.
I have no idea.
29.
What were you holding at the end, Matt?
1.5 at the end. Too much, huh? I was hitting it with a 2.5 to a 3 on my first position.
Yeah, the wind dropped a whole lot on
Well,
me.
that's why I paused. I was like, what's
down to
going
like
on?
5 mile an hour wind. You were probably a mil too much. Quite calm, right?
All right, got you for 489.29.
Everybody, thanks for coming out. We had a good match. We got done pretty quick, so thank you for that, and thank you again for all the help for pulling in the steel. That makes my life a heck of a lot easier. I can get out of here pretty quick. Again, big thanks to Cadex for sponsoring the match, and we have some pretty cool awards. Then we got Triggertech for the season. We got a free trigger on the table for them for a cert. Anyways, so what we'll do is we'll start with the time stage. So the time stage, the top score was 11 with 61 seconds by Dory.
Pretty good shooting.
Yeah, you want to hide that right there.
Smile. Oh, sorry. Okay, good.
All right, we're gonna do youth next, and youth winner is Jess Tischler.
Here you are.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right.
Perfect.
All right, and in production, we have the winner of Dory.
Wow. All right, smile.
It was, I know it's windy, it's pretty challenging for everybody today.
Sorry.
So it did affect the scores a little bit from the higher scores you typically see. So in third place, we had a tie. It came down to the time stage. And in third place with 70 points is Robert Gordon.
Oh, he left.
All right. Wow.
He said I'm not in the top 3. I'm like, stick around.
Yeah,
I'm
he
not in the
legit
top
left.
3.
Well, you never know. Someone going to Ottawa that could take it with him?
I'll see him next week.
Just take it then.
Okay. Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
I'm seeing him tomorrow.
All right, so you got there. All right, and again with 70 points, because it was only about 0.8 of a second difference, is Randy Sherman.
USA!
Congrats, Randy. Use the.
Over here. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Made it all worth it.
And in first place with 74 points, Steve Marcelino. Rigged.
Home field advantage.
No.
1, 2, 3.
You ain't getting it.